Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. As you people know that in my last video, I posted a question on trigonometry from my book Golden Problems in Mathematics and asked you people to solve that problem. Now, in today's video, I am going to present the detailed solution of that problem. The question is in front of you. It says if sine square x upon 1 plus sine x power 4 plus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x power 4 equal to 72 upon 113, then we have to find the value of sine square x upon 1 plus sine square x plus cos square x upon 1 plus cos square x. Now to solve this problem, first of all, I will be taking the LCM of the terms of denominator in the given expression. That means I will be writing 1 plus sine x power 4 into 1 plus cos x power 4 in the denominator, and in the numerator it will be sine square x into 1 plus cos x power 4 plus cos square x into 1 plus sine x power 4, right? And this is given to us as 72 upon 130. Now let's open the brackets in the numerator and denominator to get sine square x plus sine square x into cos x power 4 plus cos square x plus cos square x into sine x power 4. And in the denominator I will be getting 1 plus cos x power 4 plus sine x power 4 plus sine x power 4 into cos x power 4. Fine. And this is equal to 72 upon 130. Now we know that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So the numerator becomes 1 plus. In the remaining two terms, I am taking out sine square x into cos square x common. So in the bracket I will be getting cos square x plus sine square x. Now in the denominator we are having the expression cos x power 4 plus sine x power 4. Now students, to solve this expression, what I am doing, I am writing cos x power 4 as cos square x whole square and sine x power 4 as sine square x whole square. And now to solve it further, I will be using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we know that whenever we have to get the value of a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So that means if I take a as cos square x and b as sine square x, then this expression will become cos square x plus sine square x whole square minus 2 sine square x into cos square x, right? Or I can write this as 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x, because cos square x plus sine square x we know is already 1. So that means now the denominator of the expression becomes 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x plus sine x power 4 into cos x power 4. Fine. Now this expression is equal to 72 upon 130. Right? Now let's simplify it further. It becomes 1 plus sine square x into cos square x divided upon 2 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x plus sine x power 4 into cos x power 4. And whole of this expression is equal to 72 upon 130. Fine. Now to solve it further, we'll be multiplying the terms by using cross multiplication. And we'll solve this equation further. Now students, when we do the cross multiplication of the terms, we'll be getting 113 plus 113 into sine square x into cos square x equal to 144 minus 144 into sine square x into cos square x plus 72 into sine x power 4 into cos x power 4. Now just take the terms on the left hand side to right hand side. So the equation becomes 72 into sine x power 4 into cos x power 4 minus 257 into sine square x into cos square x plus 31 equal to 0. Right? Now students, if you look carefully and put sine square x into cos square x as t in this equation, then you can clearly notice that this equation will get transformed into a quadratic equation. 72t square minus 257 into t plus 31 equal to 0. Now to solve this equation, either you can use middle term splitting method or you can use quadratic formula, whatever suits you. Now if I solve it by using middle term splitting, I can split 257 into 248 and 9. So I'm writing here minus 248t minus 9t plus 31. Because the product of 72 and 31 is 2232, which is same as the product of 248 and 9. Now let's rearrange the terms and rewrite them like this, because it will help us to make the factors easily. So now the factors come as 9t minus 31 into 8t minus 1. So hence the values of t are either 31 upon 9 or 1 upon 8. Now students, we know that both sin x and cos x are always less than or equal to 1. So that means sin square x into cos square x cannot exceed 1. So obviously this value is going to be rejected. So that means t is just equal to 1 upon 8. Fine. That means sin square x into cos square x is equal to 1 upon 8. Now we move further. Now students, we were required to find the value of the expression sin square x upon 1 plus sin square x plus cos square x upon 1 plus cos square x. So to get the value of this expression, just take the LCM of the terms in the denominator. It becomes 1 plus sin square x into 1 plus cos square x. And in the numerator, it becomes sin square x plus sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x plus cos square x into sin square x. Right? Now just put the value of sin square x and plus cos square x as 1. So the numerator becomes 1 plus 2 sin square x into cos square x. And if I open the brackets in the denominator, I will be getting 1 plus cos square x plus sin square x plus sin square x into cos square x. So this expression becomes 1 plus 2 sin square x into cos square x divided upon 1 plus 1, that means 2 plus sin square x into cos square x. Now just put the value of sin square x into cos square x as 1 upon 8 in this expression. So the answer becomes 1 plus 1 by 4 or 5 by 4 divided upon 17 by 8. So that means it is 5 by 4 into 8 upon 17 or this is just 10 upon 7. So that means option B is the correct one. Now students, it was a nice problem on trigonometry. It involved the use of trigonometric identities as well as concepts of algebra. Now I would suggest all of you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so far, because it is going to benefit you to strengthen your mathematical concepts or to crack any type of competitive exam related to mathematics. Those students who are preparing for JEE Main or JEE Advanced exams, my channel is going to be highly beneficial for them. So I would strongly advise them to subscribe it. Moreover, I would advise you people to press the bell icon. Do not forget to press the bell icon whenever you subscribe my channel, because you will be getting the notifications of my upcoming videos on time, so that you do not miss any video in future. So goodbye till we meet in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.